The charming Southern California town of Laguna Beach has always held special meaning for me. Its hip yet comfortably classic vibe served as the inspiration for my new collection. This is Barclay Butera, and this is Laguna from Lexington Home Brands. Designs feature clean yet classic lines that suggest a vintage origin, with multiple finishes and soft, neutral textiles that convey the essence of coastal chic, and accents of woven cane that steer the look in a casual and comfortable direction. The light nutmeg finish on maple veneers, accompanied by a linen white accent finish, gives the collection a fresh, modern sensibility, while tailored upholstery, reminiscent of slipcover styling, offers a sense of understated elegance and an invitation to relax. The collection includes a beautiful assortment of plush and textural fabrics, with color palettes that highlight casual tones, like denim blues, crisp whites, and soft neutrals. Approachable design is all about maintaining a balance between ease and elegance. Whether yours is a seaside bungalow or an urban loft, it's always possible to create spaces that call us home. This is Laguna, my new collection for Lexington Home Brands.